Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I was gonna do a quick. I've got to go take back some of my stitch fixes. Say that 3 times fast. So I will end up showing you the things that I kept from that one. I'm still enjoy getting those stitch fixes. I almost decided to cancel it because I thought, I've got plenty of clothes, but I'm really getting some good stuff that's for my lifestyle now. Working from home and doing almost everything from home. It's just different clothing. Like I got this from, I think this is one of my Walmart ones. I think I showed y'all. But this is just almost like a thermal top, only it's got little poochy pleated sleeves, so it's a little more feminine. And I've got these pants. I forgot to show you. But look, can you see? Can you see them? I can't tell if you can see. I don't guess my leg's high enough. Here, I'll do a little kick. Whee! I almost fell over backwards. But anyway, little camo jeans and just something different than blue jeans and black pants. So, but anyway, I did get a couple of things. One of which y'all knew that I had gotten this Coach handbag. If y'all remember, that was on one of my hauls a while back. Still using it. Still love Coach's leather. It's just, this reminds me of old Coach, the really good leather, and the more subtle placement of their logo and stuff. And I really love this. Love the short handle. Love the long handle because I use this to jump in the car with it. But then I use this crossbody if I have to carry, something and I need the purse out of my way. And so I'd ordered a attachable change purse. And I got it. So I was going to open this today. I can see through, but I haven't opened it to see. I knew that it wasn't an exact match, and that's not what I was really going for. So, alright, so it has the Coach, I don't know if you can see, the Coach logo. I'm going to definitely keep this because, I can use it. And I think it was like on sale for $45. I forgot what it originally was, but for the money, I was like, I'll get it. Yeah, because it's that good Coach leather. And see, you can put it on a strap and then snap it, or you could put it on a chain, one of the bag tag chains like that, which I think is what I'm going to do, is use this Coach tag chain with that and put it on there. But it is, let me get a little pair of scissors, because they've got the little thing that keeps, I guess, someone from shoplifting it. Or I don't know, that little thing. Let me just pull this off the end. And it's got a little different tone. I guess it's the same tone as the Coach C, which is kind of their more modern C. I like the old, but I don't really like that C. But I guess it looks modern. It's gunmetal for hardware, except, for the pull tab and the loop and the snaps. But the zipper is tone-on-tone cream, and it's one of those big fat zippers, so it's zipping very, very easily. So let's see, what is that? Is that just stuffing? Oh, come on. Okay, this was $178, and I got it for $45. It says color chalk steam. Oh, that's the style. That's that steampunk kind of look. And chalk is the color. Yeah, comparable value $178. I think that's a little, they're reaching. But anyway, let's see, is there anything else in there? Okay, my little Coach. Is there a little pocket? Okay, there's no pocket. Within a pocket is simply a change purse. Now, what I'm going to use this for is when I go to the grocery store now, I do not go inside. I haven't for months. I do all my orders now for both my daddy and for me and my household. And then I go pick it up the next day, and you just pull up to the parking place. I hit the button, they put it in the back, I close it, and then I hand them a $5 tip. This is going to be for little, I'm going to get like 10 little $5 bills and fold them up and put them in here so that I always have that handy. And, so this little piece is obviously I always want to say Weimaraner. How do you call it? Harbiner? Anyway, it's a hook. And so you can hook it like so. It's not a screw hook, it's just a pushback hook. So let's just go ahead and push it on there. And that way, I like that because that way you can hang it anywhere. Now this is gunmetal and this is gold. But I just like that it's kind of that, it's kind of a mixture of a blend of colors. And I just think it's kind of cool. So I was going to put it on this bag. You know, one thing I did just notice is because these pockets on the side, that is going to probably hit that pocket. Maybe I'll put it up here. Up here. It also kind of looks cool, you know, it's just a little extra piece. But again, the hardwares don't match. So that's something to consider. But let's just see how it hangs, y'all. Let's just put it on there. And see how that hangs. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I know, I don't like it being that far down. That's not going to work. I kind of wanted it to be an outside piece. Now, obviously, this could be a good inside of the bag piece. You can hook it on to the same thing that you would hook your keys onto. Up there, that's where I was looking for. Let's see how that is. Yeah, that's kind of where I was looking for. I thought that'd be kind of cool looking. And again, it is not the exact color. It's a kind of a blend because it's the Coach logo underneath there. And it's also, because this is color blocked, that's another 2 shades. That's like a grayish and a cream. And this is more chalky white, even though it says it's chalk. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to leave it on this bag or not. What do y'all think? I almost feel like because of the 2 metals, it doesn't work. To be honest. The gunmetal doesn't work to me. But it would be, I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on the inside of the bag. You could use this for so many things. Actual change, other small items that you want to carry in your purse. It could be where you keep, I use rubber gloves when I do go in places. I have the little clear surgical gloves that I wear. So that if I'm touching a checkout pad or touching, you know, I still wipe them down with a wipe. But if I'm touching anything, because any germs, not just coronavirus type viruses, but other viruses, are often passed through touch when you go right behind another person. I don't think I like this right here, that's for sure. Well, anyway, give me your thoughts. Would you keep this inside or outside the bag? Would the 2 different metal colors bother you? Or would you hook it up another way? Maybe if I hooked it up on the lower side here, maybe? Maybe I'll do it that way and see if it looks okay. Like down there. What do you think? Anyway, I could put up my folded gloves, folded masks, and an extra sanitizer, just a little hand sanitizer, and have that be my little Corona pocket that I take with me from bag to bag, not just with this one, but with any. What do y'all think? Anyway, now let's see where I am, because I did have a couple of other items. Have a run over, or am I close? I think I'm okay, so I'm going to keep going. I also got a beautiful, this is La Fonte. I got this through Amazon, and so I got just a couple of Amazon things, and then that Coach thing. And then, of course, I've been getting my Stitch Fixes. And this is it's just simply a night table water goblet, where you have both the glass and the actual flask, and the glass goes on top. It's not to drink a bunch of water. It's just that midnight where you have to get up to go get a glass of water, or you feel like you need some water. The other times I feel like I need to get up to go to the bathroom, so it doesn't help. But anyway, or if you want to have this in a guest bedroom back in the day when people come over again, that's nice to have on the bedside table with a little bit of water in there, and say the water's fresh. And then I also usually have a little basket, just a little tiny basket, and I'll have shampoo, conditioner, a soap, and then of course their towels laid out. It just kind of makes it feel like a little bed and breakfast. So I just think that's also very, very pretty. So love that. And then I also got for traveling, when you are there and you don't want to use their cups, and you also want a spit cup, you know, and rinse your mouth out with everything. This is a portable wash and wear made. It says Travel Wash and Wear. It's made out of wheat fiber, it says, and it says Travel Toothbrush Cup, and it's pure and natural, assurance of raw material, quality assurance, blah blah blah. Anyway, and that's what it looks like. You literally, okay, how hard is it going to be to get this off? Can't tell how far I've gone, y'all. There we go. There, now. Okay, so you can see it's got a place for 2 toothbrushes and a toothpaste, which is perfect to take on a trip. So you can put it all in there, put that in your suitcase, and then when you get there, you've got your water cup, because of course me and my husband can share drinking out of the same cup. I always rinse it out good, so does he. And both your toothbrushes, and this is a little bit more weighted than this is so that it won't tip over. Plus, with our toothpaste, we usually use, if not the tiny travel size, which my only concern is would it go all the way down in there and I can't get it out, or actually my regular one would fit fine in here, or just a medium size one. It just depends on what I'd want to take. And that also looks like there's a little place here where you could also put your shaver if you wanted to keep that. And it's a nice seal, so easy to travel with. So anyway, that was the other thing. Now, am I traveling anywhere? No. Maybe that's what was on sale. I don't know. But I also liked the color, the kind of blush and white and clear. So anyway, that was my 2 little items that I got from Amazon. And I just thought I'd share that with you, and also my new little Coach change purse, or it may end up being my little, what am I going to call it? What should I call this? Not my Corona pouch, my COVID pouch. I don't know, maybe we'll call it my COVID pouch. What do y'all think? Y'all give me your ideas of what you would call it. Would these these 2 metals together be a problem? Would you put it inside or out? Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye! Bye!